right, so my buddy that I'm doing this car for, he really wanted, action photo type, video type stuff where, the work in progress. So here we go. Okay, I think you get the idea. And this is why reality car show TV is BS, because unless you want to sit there in front of your computer and watch me sand this car for the next 10 hours, that's about all that's going to be going on. So we did have to go back and fix some pits in the roof here because he decided no vinyl top, we're going to paint it. So there was no point in eating time fixing every little thing. So we got it close. We'll get it right. Remember the show about the comment about my wife and I standing on a ladder swearing at each other? I'm standing on a ladder, but my wife's not here. See ya.